Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 3 of my Subculture 1 month 1 palette series. So for those who don't know, every Monday I'm uploading a video dedicated to one palette. So for this month I've just started off using the Subculture palette. Obviously this palette is super controversial, so I wanted to try and see if I could make it work. I will link the first episode in the iCard if you guys want to go and check that out. So getting started on the eyes, I'm going to prime with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as always. I am going to an event tonight and I just realized that this video and last video I was going to events after I filmed them. Anyway, so for tutorial number 2, my last tutorial with this palette, I did have to go to the Face Awards. Tonight I'm going to a event with Benefit here in Melbourne in Fitzroy. And I think I want to go quite neutral on the eyes today. Like I don't want to go over the top or crazy. Like I'm thinking of doing like a really simple eye winged liner and then a red lip because I am wearing like an acid wash blue denim jacket or a black leather jacket. I haven't decided yet. I'm just gonna set that down using my MAC N4 Studio Fix powder. I think I want to go in with Dawn and Roxy, and that's it. Like Dawn all over the lid and then Roxy in the crease. That's it. Like I honestly don't want to do much eyeshadow at all. I want to keep this quite neutral. So that is what Dawn looks like. I'm gonna take it on a Stilazi Shadow Fluff brush. This is a really nice brush for packing shadows all over the lid. I'm gonna take some of that shade. I might just pop it on the outside first. Little bit orange. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna use that as a transition shade actually. I'm gonna take that shade and pop it all the way through my crease. Pretty good, huh? It looks quite beige, like in the pan. As you can see, there's a lot of kick up with that shade too. I'm gonna take a Stilazi L216. I love this brush. I'm gonna dip into Roxy and I'm gonna use this to just go through my crease. Just to kind of add a bit of color, I guess. Now, there isn't a shade in this palette that is like a bone kind of shade, like a cream shade. And I do want to go matte all over the eyes as well. I think I might just take some face powder and just pop this all over the lid. Yeah, that's the kind of shade that I want. I don't want it to be too like bright or flashy or anything like that. Okay guys, so for now, anyway, that is all that I'm doing for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and if I end up changing something up, I'll come back and let you guys know. But yeah, this is like a super easy eye look, honestly. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I've just popped on the rest of my face really quickly off camera. The lashes that I'm wearing are the Naomi lashes by my line Big Hey Beauty. I fucking love these lashes so much. They're so beautiful. I do have a discount code for my lash line that you guys can use down in the description if you guys want to check them out. And I thought I would come back on here and do my lips on camera just so you guys can see me do my lipstick. So for my red lip, I'm gonna go in with Cherry Lip Pencil by MAC. This is like an OG of the red lip game. Like this is like one of the most used red lip liners on YouTube, I want to say. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Ruby by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm just going to clean up my lip line with some of the NYX, what is this? Conceal Correct Contour Palette. I usually take this shade here. When you are correcting a red lipstick or a dark lip, you want to dip it into your concealer, go over it, and then wipe it off on a tissue because that brush is going to pick up some of that lipstick, and if you go back in on the other side, you're gonna be smearing red lipstick everywhere. It's a fucking mess. So now I'm dipping back into that concealer with my brush. And see how I kind of fucked up this line a little bit? Go like that. It's not perfect. I'm still gonna take my brush, wipe it off, dip back in. There we go. Alright guys, so I just quickly got changed and I'm running late. So I'm gonna go to the event. I'm gonna come back and then we will see how the eyeshadow holds up. It's gonna hold up fine, I'm sure, but we'll see. For the lower lash line, I did mix Dawn and Roxy, just smudged out on the lower lash line, pop some white in my waterline, pop on some mascara. There we are. Okay guys, so I just got back from the event. The time is now 9:46 p.m. I've had this on since about 2 o'clock, 2:30, so it's been about 6 or 7 hours since application. And the eyeshadows have held up, honestly, fine. I am getting a little bit of creasing just in this area, but I think that's because I didn't even set down that part properly. Like I actually set the crease line because I'm a dickhead. Anyway, we do have some liner running, but that's the liner, not the actual eyeshadow. I did put some of this shade Cube on my brow bone and inner corner, and I think it just adds a really nice warm glow. I don't know, I just really like how it looks on the eyes. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, girl. I will include this video in the playlist of my 1 month 1 palette series, so that way you guys can go and check out the other palettes that I've tried out. Well, at this point, none. But you can check out the other tutorials I've done using Subculture. I'm just gonna put the next video over my face. Go. Go on, hun. Go. Click the next video. Subscribe. Oh, wait. Have you clicked? Come on. Come on, bitch. I'm kidding. Oh, fuck, I need to go to bed.